Well, it looks like the old garage roof has been leaking again. Fortunately, I've got the Wet and Dry Vac on hand to suck up spills just like this. But before I get started, I need to swap out the filter that's used for dry pickup for the one used for wet. To change from a dry filter to a wet pickup filter, we simply take it off and we grab the foam filter designed for wet pickup and slide that over. And make sure you get it on there nice and firm so it protects all the insides. And if you do use this cartridge filter for wet pickup, this is what it could look like. And the problem with that is then you're going to get water going into the machine and causing damage. So always ensure you use the right filter for the right application. It's a great idea straight afterwards to clean the machine out and have it set up ready for normal dry vacuuming next time. The first step is to drain all the water out and then wipe and clean the tub completely. The wet filter can also be removed and cleaned under running water and left out to dry. Give the hose and wand a good rinse out as well. And if you've got one of these handy little workshop blowers, it can be used to blow out most of the water before you hang it out to dry. Now that we've fitted the dry filter back on, we need to ensure the wet filter isn't put over this one. It won't cause any damage, but it's going to heavily reduce your suction. So regardless of the model you may have, if you're going to do wet pickup, you need to swap out this dry filter for this wet filter. And don't forget to check out our other workshop vacuum videos for more troubleshooting how-tos and tips and tricks.
RYOBI, a cut above.